Are you tired of snoring ruining your sleep? You're not alone. Snoring disrupts sleep quality and affects overall health. In this video, we'll explore effective anti-snoring devices that help you rest easier without unnecessary gimmicks. Snoring occurs when airflow gets blocked during sleep. This can lead to a fragment of sleep cycles, reducing deep sleep and increasing fatigue. Even if snoring doesn't wake you, it can disturb your partner's rest significantly. So, minimizing snoring can enhance sleep quality for both partners. Understanding what causes snoring is key. Common causes include nasal congestion, mouth breathing, tongue relaxation, and sleeping on your back. Each of these factors may require a different solution. We evaluated anti-snoring devices based on their ability to target specific causes, ease of use, and user feedback. Remember, not all solutions work for everyone. It's important to find a device that fits your unique situation. Let's look at some effective devices. First up, nasal strips and dilators. These are ideal for those with nasal congestion. They help by opening nasal passages, allowing for better airflow. They're low cost and easy to use but might not be effective for mouth-based snoring. Next, we have mouthpieces, or mandibular advancement devices. These work by gently repositioning your jaw to keep airways open. These are especially useful for those who snore due to mouth breathing or tongue obstruction. Custom-fit options offer better comfort. Chin straps are another solution for mouth breathers. They keep the mouth closed to encourage nasal breathing. They are lightweight and easy to combine with nasal devices, but they may not work well if nasal airflow is poor. Positional sleep devices can help those who snore while sleeping on their back. These devices encourage side sleeping, utilizing wearable belts, specialized pillows, or smart vibration alerts to reduce airway collapse. Anti-snoring pillows improve head and neck alignment. They work best for those with mild snoring and are comfortable but may not suffice for severe cases. Beware of products that claim instant results, like scented sprays or one-size-fits-all devices. Effective solutions require mechanical changes rather than masking sounds. Choosing the right device starts with identifying what causes your snoring. For nasal congestion, consider nasal strips. If you're a mouth breather, opt for a chin strap or mouthpiece. For positional issues, consider a positional device, and use an anti-snoring pillow for mild snoring. If you're uncertain, start with the least invasive option. For safe use of anti-snoring devices, always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Allow time for adjustment and discontinue use if discomfort arises. Combining multiple oral devices can lead to complications, so proceed with caution. Seek professional advice if snoring persists or worsens. To wrap up, anti-snoring devices can greatly improve sleep quality when chosen wisely. To recap, identify the cause of snoring, select a targeted solution, and evaluate results. Don't let snoring keep you awake at night anymore. Explore these solutions and reclaim your restful sleep. For more tips, subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.